We are committed to facilitating trade in essential commodities and supporting the federal government effort to enhance food security. Once again, we would like to reiterate that all borders within command's area of responsibility are still closed due to the federal government policy on border closure. And as such, command officers remain vigilant and dedicated to preventing the smuggling of items that could compromise the health and well-being of our citizens. As we navigate these uncertainties of current economic climate, Oyo Area Command is dedicated to adopting innovative strategies and leveraging technology to enhance our operational efficiency. We would like also to appreciate the effort of traditional rulers, local government chairmen, and key stakeholders in both Oyo and Osun states, who have continued to enlighten their people about negative